Picture this. You're sound asleep at 2 a.m. when suddenly your baby monitor starts beeping. But here's the crazy part. 73% of parents say their baby monitor has given them more anxiety than peace of mind. That's right. The thing that's supposed to help you sleep better might actually be keeping you up at night. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jesse, your guide to the best, worst, and everything in between. Let's dive into today's top 5. Today, we're talking about baby monitors. And trust me, after testing these 5 game-changing options, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot in your nursery. From a sock that could literally save your baby's life to a monitor with a screen so big you'll feel like you're watching Netflix, we've got it all. But here's the thing new parents face in 2025. There are literally hundreds of baby monitors out there, and they all claim to be the best. Some cost $30, others cost $300. Some need Wi-Fi, others don't. Some just show video, while others track your baby's vital signs like a tiny hospital. So, how do you choose? Let's start with something that's completely different from everything else on this list. The Owlet Dream Sock isn't just a monitor. It's basically a tiny wearable hospital for your baby's foot. Here's what makes this thing special. It's the only FDA-cleared baby monitor that tracks your baby's heart rate and oxygen levels in real time. We're talking medical-grade accuracy here. The sock wraps around your baby's foot and sends all this data to your phone through their app. The setup is surprisingly simple. You get 2 sock sizes, a base station, and the app. The sock is soft and doesn't bother babies during sleep. What really sets this apart is the peace of mind factor. I've read dozens of reviews from parents who say this thing literally saved their baby's life by alerting them to breathing issues or dangerously low oxygen levels. Now, let's talk reality. The pros are obvious. It's FDA cleared, tracks actual vital signs, and gives you data no other monitor can. The cons? It's expensive, around $300 to $400, and you might get false alarms if the sock shifts. Also, it only works until your baby is 30 pounds. This is perfect for anxious new parents, families with a history of SIDS, or anyone who wants medical-grade monitoring. If you're the type who checks on your baby every 10 minutes, this might actually help you sleep better. I'm giving the Owlet Dream Sock 4.5 out of 5 stars. It loses half a star for the price and occasional false alarms, but the peace of mind and potentially life-saving features make it worth considering. Next up is the Mom Cozy Video Baby Monitor. And this one's all about making your life easier without breaking the bank. This monitor comes with a 5-inch HD screen that's crystal clear, even at night. The 1080p camera gives you stunning video quality, and the 5,000 mAh battery lasts over 11 hours. No Wi-Fi needed. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. What I love about this one is the simplicity. The setup literally takes 3 minutes. You get temperature monitoring, 2-way audio, 8 built-in lullabies, and the camera can pan, tilt, and zoom remotely. The night vision is impressive, and the 960-foot range means you can be anywhere in your house. The best part? It won the Mom's Choice Award, which means real parents tested it and loved it. The video quality rivals monitors that cost twice as much. But here's where things get interesting. Some 2025 models have been reported to have a clicking sound when turning on and off, plus some screen lag. It's not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of. This monitor is perfect for parents who want excellent video quality without the complexity of a Wi-Fi setup. If you're not tech savvy but still want premium features, this is your monitor. I'm giving the Mom Cozy 4 out of 5 stars. Great value, excellent video quality, and dead simple setup. It just loses a star for the recent model concerns. Here's where things get really interesting. The BabySense split-screen monitor is like having 2 monitors in one. This system comes with 2 cameras and a 5.5-inch HD screen that can show both rooms at the same time. Imagine watching your newborn and toddler simultaneously. That's the power of split-screen technology. The cameras deliver 1080p resolution with 4x zoom and 360-degree pan and tilt. You get a 6-color RGB night light, which is perfect for creating a calming environment. The 5,000 mAh battery gives you up to 20 hours in eco mode, and the 1,000-foot range keeps you connected throughout your home. What makes this special is the expandability. You can add up to 4 cameras total. The split screen feature lets you see both rooms while focusing audio on one camera at a time. It's perfect for twins or families with multiple young children. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. Make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. The customer service is reportedly excellent, with many parents praising their quick response to issues. The video quality is consistently praised as some of the best available. The downsides? It's pricier than single camera systems, and some users report the night vision can be too zoomed in for smaller rooms. This is ideal for parents with twins, multiple children, or anyone who wants the ultimate monitoring setup. If you need to watch 2 rooms, this is your solution. I'm giving the BabySense 4.5 out of 5 stars. The split screen capability and expandability make it incredibly versatile, though the price point keeps it from being perfect. Now we're talking about the monitor that's been Amazon's top-rated baby monitor for years. The Infant Optics DXR8 PRO is like the Swiss Army knife of baby monitors. This monitor features a 5-inch 720p HD screen with something no other monitor has: active noise reduction. This patented technology filters out background noise like fans, air conditioners, and white noise machines, so you only hear your baby. The coolest feature? Interchangeable lenses. You can swap between a standard lens and a zoom lens in seconds, customizing your view based on your nursery setup. The 6x zoom gives you incredible detail without pixelation. Setup is foolproof and the interface is intuitive. You get two-way talk, temperature monitoring, and the ability to expand to 4 cameras. The 1,000-foot range and closed-loop system mean no Wi-Fi worries. The build quality is exceptional and the customer service is legendary. Parents consistently mention how reliable this monitor is, even after years of use. The cons? The battery life isn't as good as some competitors. And the 720p resolution, while clear, isn't as sharp as 1080p options. Also, it's not compatible with the older DXR8 cameras. This monitor is perfect for parents who want proven reliability and unique features like interchangeable lenses. If you value build quality and long-term performance, this is your choice. I'm giving the DXR8 PRO 4 out of 5 stars. It's a solid, reliable monitor with unique features, but the battery life and resolution keep it from being perfect. Finally, we have the VTech Advanced HQ Max, and this one's all about going big or going home. This monitor features the largest screen we've tested, a massive 7-inch IPS display with true color accuracy. The 5,000 mAh battery delivers 12 hours of video streaming, and the 1,000-foot range keeps you connected everywhere. What sets this apart is the viewing experience. The 7-inch screen makes monitoring feel effortless, and the 110-degree wide-angle lens captures your entire nursery. The touch-controlled multicolor nightlight is a nice touch, and the 5 built-in lullabies help soothe your baby. The camera has 4x zoom and full pan-tilt functionality. Temperature, motion, and sound monitoring are all included, plus the secure 2.4 GHz connection means no Wi-Fi headaches. VTech has been making baby monitors for over 30 years, so they know what parents need. The build quality is solid, and the large screen really makes a difference in daily use. The downside? It uses a proprietary charging cable instead of USB-C, which is annoying in 2025. The price is also on the higher end, though justified by the screen size and features. This monitor is perfect for parents who want the largest, clearest viewing experience possible. If you're going to be checking the monitor frequently, the big screen makes a huge difference. I'm giving the VTech Advanced HQ Max 4.5 out of 5 stars. The massive screen and reliable performance make it excellent, though the proprietary charger is a minor annoyance. So, here's the moment you've been waiting for. Which monitor wins in 2025? If you want the ultimate peace of mind and can afford it, the Owlet DreamSock is in a league of its own. It's the only one that tracks actual vital signs and could potentially save your baby's life. But if you want the best traditional video monitor, it's a close call between the BabySense split screen for multiple rooms and the VTech Advanced HQ Max for that gorgeous big screen experience. For most parents though, the Mom Cozy Video Baby Monitor offers the best balance of features, quality, and price. It's reliable, easy to use, and won't break the bank. Here's what you really need to know. Look for 1080p HD video, at least 10-hour battery life, and a secure non-Wi-Fi connection. Temperature monitoring and two-way audio are must-haves. Consider your specific needs: single baby or twins, one room or multiple rooms, basic monitoring or vital sign tracking. The most important thing? Choose a monitor that fits your family's needs and budget. The best monitor is the one you'll actually use consistently. What's your biggest concern when it comes to baby monitors? Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 5 caught your attention. And if you have experience with any of these monitors, share your thoughts with other parents in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more top picks. Your shortcut to the best. Until next time, keep it top tier.